Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Bluehost account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type bluehost.com and press enter on your keyboard. On the top right corner of the homepage, find and click the login button. If you see options, select the hosting customer login for Bluehost account access. On the login page, click inside the email address field. Type the email address you used when you created your Bluehost account. Click inside the password field to enter your password. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to confirm what you typed, use the show password icon if it is available. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after your email or password. Click the login button to submit your login information. Wait a few seconds while Bluehost verifies your account details. If you are asked for two-factor authentication, check your phone or authenticator app. Enter the verification code exactly as shown and continue. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Enter your email address and follow the reset instructions sent by Bluehost. Create a strong new password and save it in a secure password manager if possible. Return to the login page after resetting and enter your updated password. If you have multiple Bluehost products, choose the correct account or profile when prompted. Once logged in, you should see your Bluehost dashboard with your hosting overview. To access your website settings, click Websites or Hosting depending on your dashboard layout. To open cPanel or your site tools, look for a button like Advanced or cPanel and click it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser once and try again. If login keeps failing, double-check that you are using the correct email address. Try clearing your browser cache or opening an incognito or private window. If you are on a public computer, avoid saving your password and always log out after use. To log out, click your profile icon or name in the top corner and select Log Out. If you still cannot access your account, contact Bluehost support through live chat or phone for help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.